Hey my angels, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Not really, we're doing more of a chit chat, but I'm kind of running you guys through of what I did today for my look, and I did something a little bit different from what I usually do. I did something more like an OG Aidette type of tutorial. I used to love doing these like burnt, very shimmery eyelid looks. By the way, my hair is back to blonde. I had it silver for a minute. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Good morning, my guys. I've been saying my guys so much. That's just a thing that my friends say, so like now it kind of stuck to me, so I say that to everyone. Like, Armani, what's up, my guy? Good morning, guys. Today we are filming a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm just basically gonna be rambling on while I get ready for a filming day today. So here's my pupper, Armani. He doesn't want to leave me alone. He wants to be roaming around in every room that I'm in. He just got a haircut yesterday, so he's looking very handsome. And also, I got a spray tan yesterday. As you guys can tell, I'm very tan right now. He's chewing on my sponge. Hey, Armani! Oh my gosh, he really bit my sponge really bad. This is the first time that I'm using that Juno sponge that everyone was talking about, and now it's ripped. I've been breaking out so much recently, as you guys can see on my face. I have a whole bunch of redness. Right now, I'm just gonna be starting off with my foundation. I normally used to not do that, but so if you guys were not aware, I am now posting 3 times a week. I'm trying to decide what foundation should I need to use today because I'm like very tan right now, and I usually use Stromboli when I'm not like too tan, or I'll use Barcelona, but sometimes it's like too red, so maybe I'll mix Barcelona and Stromboli. The only foundation that I will ever use is the NARS Sheer Glow. That's the only one that doesn't break me out. It's the only one that works wonder, stays on all day, literally for longer than 24 hours. And yes, I've worn makeup for longer than 24 hours. For now, I'm just gonna use Barcelona because I feel like I am that tan right now. So alright guys, let's see what all the hype is about with this Juno sponge. So I do think that this one's gonna match me today, but maybe only for today. Okay, so right when I'm using this Juno sponge feels quite odd. It doesn't feel like a sponge at all. It feels like I'm using a velvet shirt on my face. Luckily, Barcelona, for right now, hopefully it doesn't oxidize too much, matches me. So that's very good. I look like I just came back from the Bahamas. Can I freaking open you, please? I'm just trying to use you, sis. So today I'm using a new product. This is the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This used to be like a cult favorite. I've been living at my place for like a few months and I still don't have my studio for filming done, and I'm so excited because I'm finally getting a desk, and I'm gonna get like all the lighting that comes with it because right now I only have like 3 lights, but I want to get the whole shebang. I want to make it super nice for you guys. And also I'm gonna change this background. I think I'm gonna do like a nice clean white or like a nice smooth tan. Okay, it's time to try her. I am using the one in the shade Neutralizer, so let's see how she works. Whoa, that is light. Okay, we're only gonna use a little bit because I don't want to look too white on my face. Oh, look who's calling. Nader Potato. Hi, Nader.
Oh, hi. What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Just want to say hi.
So while I was on FaceTime with my boyfriend, I accidentally kept blending. You know when you're on the phone and like you get very distracted with what you're doing, you don't realize what you're doing, so like you keep doing other random things. So yeah, that was what I was doing. But as I'm blending, I'm actually really liking it. I hope it stays on all day because there's a lot of times where I will put concealer all over my face and then it'll crack my foundation throughout the day. And for some reason, I used to not like the Age Rewind before, but now, maybe because I'm getting older, it may be age rewinding me. But it looks like you literally have Facetune smoother on your face. Except I do have that little dark spot that won't cover up, but literally any concealer would not be able to cover that up because I popped it yesterday and then I guess that's like dried blood. So attractive, I know. And then of course taking my favorite Huda Beauty powder. This one's in the shade Banana Bread. So I would say around July is when I discovered it, and let me just tell you, this powder has changed my life for real. There is no flashback. It smells like roses. I haven't ate breakfast and it's already like 1 right now, so I'm very hungry. All I'm thinking about right now is Starbucks. And this could not be an Aidette tutorial without me using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Wow. Just wow. For today's palette, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35V. This one has gorgeous colors like all of their palettes, but this one has more of like the cool tones over here, and then we have the mauves and our neutral tones. So I'm gonna be doing this color here because it's so freaking pretty. And I might do like a little mauvey purpley pink. Going in with a big brush, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It's like a melon color, I would say. So yesterday I went to the thrift shop. Ooh! Ho ho ho! And it was after my tanning appointment because I took Armani before I went to go to my tanning appointment to get groomed, and they told me that they were gonna take 3 hours. I'm gonna go get my tan, and then after I just spontaneously saw this thrift store and I said, maybe I can burn some time there. I've been wanting to go to the thrift store anyway, so let's see what they have. And it was in a different city. But I did get like some pretty good finds, so I do want to do a haul, so I might just do a haul after this. And then with whatever transition color that I use on the top, I always bring it down to my lower lash line with a thin pencil brush, and then I blend it out with a fluffy brush. I love this color alone. Like, I would just wear it like this, throw on some lashes, and I'm good to go for the day. And I'm gonna go in with this berry tone right here. So I'm taking this one and then mix it in a little bit with this melon color just so it's not too purple. So I'm working this on the outer edges, and then I'm going to be taking that rose gold onto the inner parts of her lids. Alright, this is what we have so far. So now I'm going to be spritzing my brush and getting the rose gold color and making the magic happen. My teeth look so white when I'm tan. Hey! Okay, this color is going to be so fire. I can feel it. This is like me and my mom's favorite type of shade. This is how I do my faux cut creases, guys. I just take a damp brush, the product, and shape it like a half moon. So I just blended the edges right here as you guys saw it, and I made it look like a cool gradient, so. And then there is the second eye. Ooh, so cute. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the rose gold like right in the center of my eye, just to brighten things up, just to do a little spotlight. And then finishing it off, I'm just applying a brow bone highlight. This is just a normal cream shade. I don't want to do anything sparkly up there today just because I feel like there's a lot going on already. So I'm going to add a little bit of blush and highlighter. And of course, I'm always going to be using my Anastasia Peachy Love and my Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter. And I can never finish up a look without using my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. This is the only setting spray that actually works for me. I mean, others have, but this one works the best. So this has been my new favorite mascara, and that for me is a lot because you guys know that I'm not a huge like mascara person. I'm like, okay, let me throw this on, and I don't really pay attention to it. But this is the IT Superhero Mascara. This I was just using because I had nothing else to use, and makes your lashes super long, thick, and black, and that is the one thing that I always look for in a mascara. And then also I'm going to be putting on these Morphe Chummy lashes. That's so funny because one of my dogs is named Chum Chum, and I always call him Chummy. So lashes are now on. I love these lashes. I don't know why it took me so long. I've had those lashes for about a year already, and I'm finally getting around to using them. But Chummy lashes by Morphe, very nice. Go get you some. And right before I got on camera, I did pick out this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Child Star, and I just put it on my lips, but I did feel like it needed a little bit of liner around. I love the very like muted mauvey pinky tone, but I do feel like I need a little bit more definition, so I'm going to be taking the Cake Lime Crime Velvet Teens lip liner. This one is in the shade. So that is all for my video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this chit chatty get ready with me. I'm going to be having a pretty long day. I do have a lot of content to make. I have to take a few pictures after this, make another video, but again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to my angels in the next video. Oh. When he texts you, can't wait to see you.